So what we've got here is a Hino 500 series, and the issue that I've been having is I've been getting a lot of water dripping out, coming out when the AC's running. So there's a drain hose. So to pop the hood, we've got a little lever here. And that's how you get that up, just like a bonnet of a car. Lock it in there. So what we had was, we got this hose, is the drain hose, where you get the water that normally drips out from underneath your vehicle. So I just took that off, and I just took a normal garden hose. And I should have videoed this before I started, but what I was doing is just shoot a bit of water in there, and you can still see there's bits of black crap coming out. Let's get a bit closer. See all the stuff still coming out. Easy fix. I also just used a bit of electrical wire, and I went up underneath the truck and poked a little bit of electrical wire. I just used a bit of this thick cable just to clear the hose out from that point down to where it opens out.